First of all, and probably one of the most prominent features on this vehicle that you will be seeing in future Opels is what we call the visor. And the visor is a beautiful landscape format to the graphic of the front of our car, which encompasses all of the future technology. If we move around to the side of the car, you can see some values that we're talking about for all future Opels. And that is, we want all of our cars to be both bold and pure. And then the rear of the car itself, again, is very bold and pure. Another strong element that will be in all future Opels is what we called the compass. And that's really putting the emphasis at our emblem. Now, the interior of this car is really focused around what we call Pure Panel, where all of the technology that the driver needs for a simple, pure driving experience is all integrated within this single harmonious screen. Our brand is German, exciting, and approachable, and we think that all of the values of this car really emphasize those three values to really make a very, very strong signature of where Opel's going in the future.